Ade, assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hope you're doing fine, inshallah. Today, we'll be learning, this would be the exercise number 2 in Excel. And here, we'll be learning something which is quite easy in nature. And the basic target for the learning of this particular thing is that we have to warm up how to use the if functions in Excel. So we have got a case out here which we say as tabulating the student's scores for the examination and bringing an automatic feature to find pass and fail. So this is the main part which we need to learn, how to bring in an automatic feature in Excel where we are checking up the marks of the students and we are deciding whether the student is pass or fail. So let's not waste any time further and let's jump into the Microsoft Excel file. As you see over here, I have done the starting typing work. I've got the name of students. We have got a few famous names out here: Samuel Jabir, Saeed Al Wiran, Khalid Masad, and then we have got a Messi and Ronaldo over here as well. Anyways, so okay, so the examination marks. These are basically the academic scores of the student for a particular semester. So Samuel Jabir scored 18 out of 20 in first test, 17 in second, practical 18, and final exam 35. And similarly, so and so forth, we are seeing the scores of each student out here. Now, the point is that we need to, first of all, we need to find out how we can find the total marks of the students. So you know it very well. If I need to find the total marks of Samuel Jabir, so I need to I need to add all of these things, isn't it? So it's a pretty simple feature. Just bring your cursor over here, select this cell, and go to the formulas part, and then you can see AutoSum. It's already showing up what is the data out here. Just press enter. So I got the score of Samuel Jabir as 88. Now, in order to use the same formula, same here for the remaining fields, all I need to do is that I have to select this one, come to the corner, and then press with my mouse and bring it down like this. That's it. So I've been able to find the total score of the students. Let me change the color back to a normal one. So in order to do that, okay, fine. Let's try to give it a bit of structure as well so that we know how our table is looking like. It's over here. Give it all borders. Now comes the main feature for which we are doing this lecture, where we need an automatic feature through which we can find out, we can conclude if a student has passed or failed. Okay, so this is the main part where we'll be focusing right now. So Samuel Jaber has scored 88, isn't it? And the other one, let's highlight these marks. Said Al Iran has scored 67. Khalid Masad has scored 94. Messi 36 and Ronaldo 37. Now you all know it very well. What are the passing marks? If a student is scoring more than 60, more than 59, in fact, so he is passing that particular exam. So what we see over here is that we can, uh, by the look of our eyes, we can conclude it straight away that Sami, Saeed, and Khalid they have passed, and Messi and Ronaldo they have failed. But I want it to be something which is automatic in nature. In order to do that, the first thing to be done over here is to keep your cursor on this particular area where we need to find out pass and fail. Now comes the interesting learning part. Go to the formulas menu, which is called the cell, and then look for logical. You call it mantaqi in Arabic, and press the down button over here. You will see a list, and you can press on if button. As soon as you press on or as soon as you press on if button, you see this particular window coming up. Now take your mouse to the final to the total marks of Samuel Jabber. Where is it? It's over here, 88, isn't it? I I'll be using my mouse and I'll be selecting this one. As soon as I select this one, what I will see is that I'll be seeing the address coming up over here, the address of this particular cell. So this is going to be different for all of you. So you need not worry about it. This is only basically telling us that we have taken this place. This place has been taken. We have taken the address, the unwan of this cell. Now, now you have to put up a cat criteria over here. If you know a little bit about the if statements, you put up a condition over there. If if the score is bigger than this much, like that, low uh, لو الدرجات أكثر من 60 like that. So what I will be doing over here is that I'll be coming to my keyboard and we have got a key over here for which I'll be pressing up shift and this one, we call it the greater sign. So if this particular address is greater than 59, okay, I have put up the test. I have put up the condition over here. Al-hal, al-halat. If I'm telling it right in Arabic, I've put up the condition over here. لو أكبر من 59. This is the place. If this condition is true, لو هذا صح, you have to go here on the second فراغ. And if this is false, we'll be going to the third one. So if it is true, if a student score is more than 59, this is the area where you'll be writing the announcement. So I'll be telling congratulations, congratulations, you passed. Okay, and then if this condition is false, so the third blank is for the false condition. So this is basically if a student is not scoring more than 59, he will be declared as failed. So we'll write down sorry, you failed the exam. That's it. That's it. Just press on OK. And if you see it over here, I'll just broaden up the column so that this functionality is up and working now. What we can see over here is Sami scored 88. So we got the automatic feature where it is telling us that, brother, you have passed the test. Congratulations. Let's try to enforce the same thing for the remaining fields. This one, okay. In order to do that, all you need to do is you have to bring your mouse right to the corner part and just drag it down with your mouse. There we go. So now we have got the automatic feature up and running, and it has automatically declared the students who have scored more than 60 and the students who have scored less than 60, they are getting a sorry message. If I change any of the values out here, for example, Ronaldo appeared for a re-exam and then he scored great marks. So now if you see out here, the majmua, the total marks has become 60 and the message has got changed, isn't it? So it's a nice feature to work up with in the beginning. And inshallah, this is just a beginning. The next one, the next exercise will be something relevant to the medical science field where we will be bringing in an automatic feature depending upon the blood test report of the patient. So today, what we have done is that we have been able to implement a functionality, a logical functionality through which we can straight away say who has passed and who has failed. So this is something which I expect from all of you to learn. You can give it a try, but all by yourself. And in case if you're stuck anywhere, you're most welcome to prompt me through my contact number on WhatsApp. I hope this I hope this lecture helps you all. Inshallah. That's it for today. Goodbye. Masalam.